still ain't wide enough.
Okay, so even with all of Gary's kills,
Yeah,
I
it's just
still
a
came out
little
with
bigger.
on damage. So what's their excuse?
Let's see the measurement.